How do you master the USPTO TEAS trademark application? Imagine trying to get your brand protected but feeling overwhelmed by the process. The good news is, with some clear steps, you can become confident in handling your USPTO application using the Trademark Electronic Application System. This system is your gateway to registering a trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. First, you need to understand the basics. You will be asked to provide your name, address, legal entity type, and citizenship or incorporation details. You also need to verify your identity with a signed statement from an authorized person. Next, you must identify what goods or services your trademark will cover. Use the USPTO's ID Manual to find the right classification, which helps the office understand what your mark applies to. Choosing the correct filing basis is essential. If you are already using the mark in commerce, you file under Section 1A. If you plan to use it later, you file under Section 1B, which is for intent to use. Preparing your application carefully is the next step. Decide whether you want a standard character mark, a stylized or design mark, or a sound mark. If you are filing under Section 1, you need to provide a specimen showing the mark in actual use, like a label or advertisement. For intent-to-use applications, you will need to submit a statement of use later, once your mark is in use. Make sure all your information is accurate to avoid delays or office actions, which are requests for clarification or corrections from the USPTO. When you're ready, create an account on USPTO.gov and log in to access the TEAS system. Complete each section step by step, reviewing your answers carefully. Pay the required fees, which depend on the number of classes of goods or services you include. Fees can range from around $150 to $400 per class, depending on the firm you choose. After submitting, keep an eye on your application status through the Trademark Status and Document Retrieval System. The USPTO might send office actions asking for more details or corrections. Respond promptly within 6 months to avoid abandonment. If you get a notice of allowance for an intent-to-use application, you must file a statement of use or request extensions within the deadlines to keep your application alive. Take advantage of USPTO resources like the Trademark Electronic Search System to check for similar trademarks before applying. Use the ID Manual to describe your goods or services properly. Check out the FAQs and tutorials to understand common issues and best practices. If your case is complex or you are unsure about the process, consulting a trademark attorney can help you avoid costly mistakes. By preparing your application carefully, following all procedures, and meeting deadlines, you can master the USPTO TEAS trademark application and move closer to protecting your brand.